Stage where we are going to start today. So this is the first session, and there were a couple of other sessions which happened in the morning already. We had an 101 and another 101. Just by 6:30, we finished by 7:30. Great. So very glad and delighted that we are here to commence the English training program. Let me also give you a kind of a brief. So this is a kind of a golden opportunity, I would say. This is what precisely I said in other two groups as well, because Desi Crew as such a company which is giving a platform for learning, right? So there are 12 other language courses which is happening, or maybe 11 other I should say. So English is one of them. So this is a great level, because all this time this training program was more of an e-learning program. So this is the first time you have a live trainer, and then you have live audience, which is of course you. So we have an opportunity where we can interact, learn. There will be fun, we will have icebreaker sessions, and we will have a lot of other funny things as well. So we will ensure that this 1 hour is packed with a lot of learning, but also fun, and at the same time interesting, right? And I'm sure we all will have know each other more. So that is precisely what this interactive session will do, because in e-learning may not do, because you might be doing something, you may not know what the other person is doing. So that is something which is sorted out in this particular edition of English, right? And another very important thing is that I'm very glad also, because every time I do an opportunity, I get opportunity to know the participants as well. So I'm sure around 48 or there about that number participant, I'll know more because and I'm sure you will also know more. So this is a kind of a rapport which the trainer builds up with the participants. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to a lot of interesting things coming from your end as well. So which will make this session very interesting and very funful and joyful as well. And another thing is that, see, what is required to make this journey successful? What it takes to make any journey, any learning journey successful. So the first thing, because this training program is for a limited time, this is for 8 weeks, that is 2 months. We will have every day 1 hour this time for another 8 weeks. After that, what happens, right? I'm sure most of you would be in different scale. One would be probably good in listening, other may not be good in listening, maybe okay in speaking, right? So some might feel a little bit shy, some might feel a little bit not comfortable. So there are people who are in different scale. So, but the thing is that from this session, I'm sure you will take a lot of takeaways from here, which you can work on after the session is over. Because any journey which happens, it's like this is a limited period of time. We can't catch up everything what we have missed in past so many years, right? So we will give you tips. So these tips has to be carried on further in your learning, what do you call day-to-day activity, right? So which will ensure you can get where it will be much better than the position you are in now currently, right? And also there should be also a thing like, why do you want this? How do you, what it will do, the benefit. So these are the things which we have covered in the training program as well, right? Another important thing is that, so let me also congratulate again to have English as a choice of your subjects. And let's commence this journey, which would be one I'm sure you would remember in a long time to come. Okay. So it would be very unfair if we start any training program without having a proper introduction of everybody. I see only Nikita camera because I'm reading something. So she's the only one, she's laughing. I'm very happy, Nikita, you have your camera on. What happened to others? Have your camera on. See, she's laughing, we can see, and you can see me. If I also switch off my camera, then what will happen? then you will think, oh, this training program is something, right? It's an audio, not a live session. So when you look at another person, no, then what happens is that it becomes interesting, the session. Can I also have all of you to have your camera on? I believe this is something which I have to do for next couple of days in all the group, right? And hopefully Nikita is one who had the camera. Suprita, don't turn off your camera. Bhumika, please don't turn off your camera if you don't have any issue. Same with Saranya as well. Same with Kanchana as well. Other participant, Rosila, and right, please have your camera on. Okay, great. So it will be very unfair if we don't have a kind of a proper introduction. I'm sure most of you might know each other, and many of you know me because I had a TNI session with you already, right? But let's have a quick introduction. So let's start with Rashmi, right? So you know Rashmi has been promoted recently as a educator for this particular event. And let's start with Rashmi, and then I'll introduce myself, and then I will go according to the screen whom I see. Then I'll ask you to come over and I'll tell you what to speak and what are the things you can tell about yourself. Rashmi, please.
Hello everyone. My name is Rashmi SM and I'm from Udupi, and I work in Desikru Kapu for Zomato process for the past 2.5 years. Recently I have been transferred to DTouch as a coordinator for English skill. Currently I'm enjoying my work, and my hobbies are dancing, singing. That's it. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Rashmi. So I go by the participant list, which I would be able to pull it up in a minute. That makes things easier for me. Hafifa, you are the first participant. Hafifa, hi, good evening. Please come on. And what I would like to have you tell is that you tell about yourself, and of course, and then talk about your hobbies as well. That is very, very important. And talk about your journey with Desikru. That's another thing. And talk about the language which you know. Apart from, of course, English and Kannada or maybe Tamil, what are the other languages which you know? Okay. Great. Hafifa, can you hear me? If you can, switch on your mic and also switch on your camera as well. Not sure whether she is there. Okay. I'll go to then Bhumika Naik. Bhumika, hi, good evening. The same thing goes to you. Yeah, please introduce yourself. You know, what are the things which I told you about yourself, and then about your hobbies and your journey with Desikru, the languages which you know.
My name is Bhumika. I'm from Udupi. My hobbies are singing, and I've given so many programs also. And I joined Desikru in the month of November. It's very good to work with this team. That's it, sir.
Okay, you joined recently. Did you say November 2020?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Is this your first job?
No. This is a second job actually.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Did you say you made a lot of presentation and something? What did you say? I didn't catch up on that.
Programs actually. I'm a singer actually.
Oh. Okay. So we won't trouble you today, Bhumika. So good thing I'll make a note here. Right. One of the days it's getting a little bit heavy. We'll ask you to sing. So be prepared. You can sing something for us for a couple of minutes, sure, in future. Not today.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, great. Bhumika, that's a great beginning. Thank you very much. And
thank you.
Okay. I think Hafifa has posted a message saying that, sorry sir, now I can't turn on my audio. in case she has some issues. So hopefully, Hafifa, if you can hear us, once you're back, type another message and I'll give an opportunity to speak. Okay, thank you very much. May I move on to Suprita, please? Hi, good evening, Suprita, please.
Hi, sir. My name is Suprita from Karkada. I'm working in Basic Crew last six years, sir. My hobby is dancing. That's
Okay. And what are the other languages you know? Do you know Hindi?
little bit.
Little bit you know. Okay, fine. Thank you, Suprita. And I go on to Saranya now. Hi, Saranya. Good evening. Saranya, hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, same question to you. The question is like when you come here, this is an introduction session where you will introduce you, of course, about your hobbies and your journey with Desi Crew and the languages which you know.
My name is Sharanya. I'm a graduate in MCOM. I'm working in NPTEL process since 3 years. My hobby is I play badminton, and I speak Malayalam, Hindi, English, Tulu, Kannada, and I know a little bit Tamil.
Okay, so you multifaceted as far as language is concerned. And did you say that in TNI? I remember I spoke to you. You are from Kerala. Did you say you are from Kerala?
Yes.
Okay, great. So great to have you, Saranya. Thank you very much for your time. And Nikita, may I call upon Nikita, please? Hi, good evening, Nikita. Your
Good
turn.
evening, sir. Yeah, I'm Nikita from Malpe. I'm an MCOM graduate, and my hobby is drawing. Languages which I know is Tulu, Kannada, and Marathi.
Tulu, Kannada, and Marathi also you know. Oh, okay. Marathi as well. Because of the border between Karnataka and Maharashtra, that's the reason why you know Marathi?
No, sir. No. I spent my childhood in Maharashtra.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Great. Nice to have you, Nikita. And so I believe let me go on to Kanchana Shetty, please. And don't switch off cameras unless required. If you want to take a sip of water, if I want to take a sip of water, what I can do is that if you don't want to see me, then I can switch off my camera and have a sip of water. So that is permitted. But don't switch off your camera. One do, then it's like a cycle. You have seen cycle in the cycle stand, one cycle fall, all the cycles fall, right? So as long as you have good internet connectivity, you don't have any other issue. So it's nice to see that everybody is smiling, everybody is giggling, right? I also feel happy that I'm seeing a live person. You can also see me, like Saranya can see Nikita can see Kanchana, so on, right? So that becomes, because see, it is not a classroom environment. We are not in a classroom session. We are doing it remotely. So what best, I don't know how many of you went outside your house today. I didn't go because I had a session in the morning, I had a session in the evening, and I'm doing another session now. And in between as well, Yash kept me busy for some other activity. So that's how it was. If Yash can listen to me, maybe just it's in good humor. So the thing is that it's a great opportunity to see some faces. I'm already feeling pretty happy, right? I'm sure the same would be with you as well. Yes, Kanchana.
Myself Kanchana Shetty, and I'm from Kapur. Currently working in Zomato process.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking.
Okay, so what do you cook?
Today fish curry.
Okay. And fish is, I think, the favorite dish in Kapu because of the seashore, or is it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And what languages you understand apart from of course.
I'm comfortable in Kannada, Tulu, Hindi, and English.
हिंदी अच्छी तरह आता है क्या?
थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है sir.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है. थोड़ा थोड़ा is fine. Okay. Why I'm asking is that because initially if you have some difficulty, I think you don't have. If you have, I can make you understand in that particular language initially. So that is my intention to ask the language. Thank you very much, Kanchana. And great, thank you. So Rosilia, can you hear me, Rosilia? Switch on your camera as well, if you can, please.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Rosilia, I can hear you. Is it possible you can switch on your camera? Rosilia, while you do that, also introduce yourself quickly, please, to the group and to me.
Hello, sir. I'm Rasi Rosalia. I'm from TN Palayam. I'm working in Desicro for the past 9 months. My hobbies are cooking and doing craft works.
Craft work, okay. And is this your first job?
No, sir. I was working in postal department last year, but now I'm working in Desicro.
Okay, postal department, Indian Postal Services.
Yes, sir. I was working as a BPM there.
Oh, okay, very good. TN Palayam, that is Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, appo Tamil nalla theriyumla.
Theriyum.
Okay, very good. Yema camera eda issue ah? Seri ipo issue the camera on ah irukano, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, great. Is there anyone whom I haven't spoken? I would have missed you. If so, please give me a loud shout, and then or else we have done. Okay, great. So a brief about me, right? Saravnan, of course, my name, and I'm from Chennai. And so I've been in this training industry for almost a decade and a half now. So likewise, the training which we are doing, I have done quite a bit of training in terms of various language skills, right from the beginning level, mid-level, and the senior level. And apart from that, because when you talk about language, there are so many things which comes about in the language in terms like your listening, speaking, writing, and reading, and all those things. I've done a lot of soft skills kind of a training as well, and organizational behavior, those kind of a training, senior level, mid-level, and all these levels. So this is the kind of a brief about me. Okay, so great. It was nice to know you all, and I'm sure some of you may not have known each other. Now you know by their name and the face as well, which is very, very important. Okay, great. So let me talk about some ground realities, or maybe expectation from the participant. Then we will play a game. So that will be an interesting game, and we will make the session light today, and we will have an icebreaker session. So that will be very, very interesting, which went well with the other groups as well. Okay, so some of the ground rules, which would be like you have logged in today, log in slightly bit early, and then what will happen is that you will not have, sometime what happens, today my system was stuck a little bit, laptop. So it took some time for me to get in, right? So I have something where, one software. So maybe it could happen with you as well. So if you log in just 5-10 minutes before, then what happens is that you are there, right? So that is something which I would like to say. And I'm not too sure how many have logged in from your mobile, because when you log in from your mobile, your screen becomes very, very small, right? If I log in from this, and if I log in from a desktop or a laptop, I'm sure all of you will have a desktop or a laptop for your work. So log in from that, so that because we have some slides which we will be able to show to you. So there will be some write-up in the slide, the pictures and all those things. If you have a mobile, you may not be able to see the write-up clearly. So that is one intention why I am asking you to join in from the laptop. And also when you run your mobile for a long time, it becomes heated up and all. So laptop is meant for, or a desktop is meant for working for long hours. So that is also benefit for your particular device. Then Also, another thing is that have your audio and video checked before you log into the system. Check your video and also see. It's not like you can log in. I know we are from home and all, but at the end of the day, when you have to see me, I have to see you. So probably when the camera is on, of course you will have a kind of a thing in terms of your attire and also ensure if you are not aware today. So you have to be in front of the camera for this 1 hour. So that is the requirement of this particular training. Then another important thing is that I'm sure all of you are from a secluded place because I can't hear any disturbance. So that is very, very important to be attending this training from a secluded place. Understandable, this is the pandemic, we are stuck at home, right? So, but another very important thing is that if you have disturbance, you will not be able to focus and it might disturb the others as well, because our laptop, mobile and all, if you see the the audio is so powerful, even if there's small disturbance, it easily gets picked up, right? So that is something you can ensure. Sometimes it may not be possible, but that's fine. Okay, as long as you can do that. Another thing is that if you see, let not the light come from behind. If the light comes from behind, then what happens is that it gets very blurred up. I'm not saying to do something now. If your light comes in front of you, then it hits your face. If it comes from back, then it'll, you take a picture when you're there in window, right? And take a picture during the day and see it'll be all blurred up, right? So that is something, a kind of a tip I wanted to give you. If it is not workable, that's fine. If it's workable, please work on that, right? Then another very important thing is that switch off the mic if you're not required to speak, that you all are have done that, and participate. That is very, very important at any point of time. This looks to be a smaller batch, so let's participate, let's make it interesting, right? So there is no kind of a flow, we have to follow this flow. It's all about learning, so that part we will take care. And also I'm sure none of you will feel shy or something. I see all of you very, very active and bold, and also I'm sure you will be able to do that. Okay, and no doubt it's a silly doubt. If you're thinking, this is another very important thing. Oh no, shall I ask? What is that he will think? What is that she will think? What is that? No, that doesn't make, right? If you have to be selfish for your learning, if you want to learn something, right? Like the kid, when the baby is hungry, what it does is it starts crying. Similarly, this is an opportunity for you to learn. So ask whatever you want to ask. We are here. I'm also available outside this training program as well. We have a common WhatsApp group. If you feel that even that's something you may not do, then you can WhatsApp, because there's a number, my number. You can WhatsApp me. I'll be able to do the thing whenever, as soon as possible. So that is something which I'll take care. Okay. And as I said, if required, I can speak in your local language. That's why I was checking the language part. And let me also tell you, this is also a great opportunity, right? This is kind of a great opportunity for you to learn and for you to share. And also, apart from the work which we have, this is 1 hour of interactive session which we will have every day for next 8 hours. So let's make the best out of it, right? So that I'm sure you will be all able to take care of it. Okay, so before we start a game called as Icebreaker, right? There is something known as Icebreaker. Does anybody know what is an icebreaker? Okay, I'll tell you in a minute. We will do an icebreaker. So that is something very interesting. Before that, let me also share my screen with you. I'll be showing just a couple of slides, including the icebreaker slide. Just give me 1 second. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, fabulous.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Right, so this is the functional English. So some would be already thinking why it's called functional English. See, we can't call it English. When we call it English, no, it's the entire learning of English language. That is right from our childhood till the school time and the college times. So this is functional English. Why we call functional English is that the language which we need on a day-to-day basis at our work, when we interact with client, when we have to send an email, when we do a telephone call, or when we have to talk to a client, or maybe when we go out and somebody comes from Tamil Nadu to Kapu, they may not know the language, right? So they will talk in English. So how do you talk? So these kind of a scenario. And outside work as well, in terms of the greeting, in terms of the day-to-day thing. So those kind of a thing. The focus would be more on listening and speaking, right? So I will not say anything more than that, because we have a lot of things covered in the course. So I will talk when it is required. We will talk and learn. So this is more, the focus is more on listening, because we will be listening and we will be speaking. So this is something which should show up soon, because that will tell you your capability, ability and all, which we will try to improve. And if it is good, then we can make it even better. So that is what we are trying to focus. And then we will also focus on other aspects of the language as well. Okay. So introduction part, we have just, we did finish that. So this is the icebreaker. So if you look at this particular, I've got this slide. Why this is, see, a place in Arctic. You see it's all completely frozen all the 12 months most of the time. But now they say it's because of the global warming, the ice is melting and all. And so if you look at, this is a icebreaker ship. This ship goes through the ice and it's clearing the way. If you can see, it's clearing the way here. For what? For the big ship to come. Otherwise, if the big ship comes here, the big ship can get damaged. It might sink also. So this is what it is. So what is this thing got to do with our training, you might ask? So what it has got to do with our training is that, so we will be doing a session, which will be kind of an icebreaker session, which will make everybody enjoy, laugh and have kind of a fun. So I will be asking you, I think during the DNI session as well, I asked you some hypothetical questions. So those questions is something which I have for you. I will be calling upon one by one again, and I'll ask you to do that. And it will be, I'm sure it will be very funny. Okay. So let me pull up the first one. No, it's not. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, great. So I'll start with the reverse order now. I'll start with Suprita. Suprita, are you there? Yeah, Suprita. Switch on your mic. Suprita, if you want to remove one activity from your daily routine, which really bores you, what is the activity which you will remove? Nikita is already laughing. Maybe this is a correct question for her. So, yes.
Question, sir.
Asha, question is that, see, we do a lot of activity in the morning.
I can understand the question, sir.
Okay,
but the answer is very tough.
Answer is?
Very tough, sir. No answer, sir.
No answer. You don't think anything which you can remove from your daily activity. Okay, fine. So I'll give you another one then, right? We are less participants, no? So I'll give you another one. What if you Okay, you wake up in a lonely planet. What is that you will do? Today you sleep in your house. Tomorrow morning you wake up, you see there is no one there in that place. Lonely island. What is that you will do?
I'm crying.
You are?
Crying, sir.
You will cry. Okay, you will.
Yes, sir.
Okay, makes sense. You will cry. Okay. Thank you, Suprita. Now I'll call upon. I'm going the reverse order now. Sharanya. Sharanya, if given an opportunity to visit another planet, which is the planet you will visit, and why?
No, I'll not visit any planet. I'll live in Afghanistan.
But you have been given an opportunity. You have to go.
Hey Sharanya, just to give you an hint, it's been found that there is life in Mars,
Correct.
right?
They're looking for water, and hopefully they will find. There is a rover there in Mars. We already have. I'm sure if you follow a little bit of news and all of you. So there is our what do you call the satellite, and there's also a rover which lands on the Mars island or Mars planet, which is roaming there, which is taking all the soil sample collection, looking for life and all those things. So if you fine, it's fair enough if you don't want to leave the comfort of Earth and go to another unknown planet. But this was a hypothetical question. So hypothetical question is that it's not going to happen. But what if it happens? So what is that you will do? So that is what it is. Okay, fine. You want to try another one? Shall I give you another one?
Yes, sir.
What if you win after this particular training program, you get a message that you won 1 crore? What is that you will do with 1 crore, and how will you spend that money?
I think restaurants are open now, Saravanan.
Get restaurant. She can buy restaurants rather than going and eating.
Correct. No, that's like the first thing is a treat, and then obviously the other things I think she can plan.
Yeah, a lot of other things you can also plan.
Yeah, but anyway, Saranya, your option. Like this is what I
Yeah.
was saying. Your option, your choice.
I'll like. I have so many dreams, so I'll make that.
Okay, you had so many dreams, you will make all them come realize. And you might buy a lot of land in Kerala as well, maybe, probably. Yeah?
Sure.
Okay, fine. Great, Saranya, thank you. Right, so I would go on to call upon Rosilia. Hi, Rosilia. Rosilia, see, if you become invisible for a day, right?
Okay.
And it's unfortunate we are not able to see your expression. Hopefully from tomorrow we will be able to see when you have your camera on. So if you become invisible for a day, or invisible for a day, I'm sorry, what are the things you will do?
I'll tease someone who I don't like.
Are there many people like that?
No, just few. Just for
few.
fun.
Just for fun. You'll frighten them. You'll give them
Yeah.
time. They will never forget in life.
Yes.
They will never forget the name Rosilia ever again in their life. Correct?
Maybe.
Okay, maybe. Good. Thank you very much, Rosilia. Then I would call upon Nikita. Nikita, say you finally realize that you've got the ability to fly. So which are the places you will fly and go and see? What are the things you will do and why and all?
I would never come back.
You will never come back. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. Actually, flying is a very, very, I don't know, maybe I don't know about you people, I'm sure. It's a great thing. Sometimes I get dreams where I'm flying, right? So it's a great ability, right? And that's how man created, right? It's a great thing. We fly and we move fast and all, right? So that is something. So Nikita will never come back. So I hope you never get this ability to fly, at least till this 8 weeks of English session is over. After that, I wish your dream comes true, if it's your dream. Okay, great. Nikita, thank you very much. Now I call upon Kanchana. It's Kanchana's turn. So what shall we ask Kanchana? Kanchana, if you want to put 3 animals together, and if somebody asks you to put 3 animals together and make one single animal, so what are the 3 animals which you will put together and why? You understood the question? You have to switch on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I put lion, tiger, and elephant together and make one dinosaur, sir.
That's a good one. Very nice one. See, this is see, everybody is laughing now. See, look at everybody. This will not be possible if we have all the camera off and all. Then it will become another all what do you call? Not that interesting. So I'm already getting a lot of good vibe from this particular session. We are all having hearty life, hearty time and all. And so that is great. That is brilliant. So fabulous reply, Kanchana. Hats off to you. Good one. That's a good one. Thank you very much. Okay. Hafsa, are you there? Because I'm not too sure whether we spoke to you. Hafsa, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Hafsa, did we speak to you? Did I speak to you in the beginning?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. So is it possible you can switch on your camera?
I'm working, sir, now.
You're working? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yourself, but tomorrow on, ensure if your camera is on, no, that will be great. You don't have any internet issue and all, correct?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow on, can you do that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself, please, quickly, because we didn't have an opportunity to talk to you. I just saw your name. It have joined a little bit late. So introduce yourself and your journey with Desi Crew. What are your hobbies? And then I'll ask you something. Please.
My name is Hafsa. I'm studying BTech now. I joined Desi Crew I'm working in Desi Crew from last 2 months. Then it was a nice journey in Desi Crew because during initial days it was little tough for me to manage both also, like studying also and this also, working also. Now it's fine for me to manage both also. Then hobbies, I read more books. Then I listen to the songs. That's all.
Okay, brilliant. So when did you join? Did you join when we talked about this particular course, what we are about to achieve from here, the ground, or maybe the expectation from the participants? Did you join around that time? Or you joined?
For today's meeting.
Yes.
I joined at the beginning only.
Okay, so you were able to listen everything?
Something I listened, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, I thought you were not there. Okay, good. Great. So you know what we are doing now currently? What is this activity called? Icebreakers, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll give you an
Yeah.
interesting activity. So please do that for us and see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, if you had a time machine, I'll tell you what is it. Have you heard about time machine?
It shows time, no, sir.
No, that is a watch or that is a clock. Time machine is something which takes you back. See, suppose if time machine with me, you would have seen in movies and English movies and those kind of a thing, which even
Harry Potter.
take you back some 20 years back, or if it takes you to the future, it can take you another 20 years from here to the future, right? So if you get that kind of a time machine, whether you would like to go into the past or go into the future, if you want to go into the past, why? If you want to go into the future, why?
I'll go to the past, sir.
You'll go to the past. Okay. What is the event which you like to revisit and why?
When I was small, it was nice. No worries, nothing. Just enjoying the life.
Just enjoying the life. Okay. So this is the best part of the life you're saying, correct? Before you get into the responsibilities and all those things. Yeah. Okay. Hafsa, I don't know whether you are able
As we grow.
really. I don't know, maybe it's a net issue. It's taking some time. Okay, so that would do, Hafsa. Thank you very much. Keep in your mind. Hopefully, you will. We will be able to see other participants. Will be able to see as well. So that is something which you will get tomorrow, right? So I call upon the next participant, Bhumika.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Bhumika. So let's see what happens to you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just.
Sir, am I audible?
Very audible, very audible. Fabulous. Very, very, very clear. Okay, let me ask you this popular one. If you become in one day CM.
CM.
CM. Chief Minister of Karnataka. What is that Bhumika can do in one day for the people of Karnataka who will look forward to Bhumika?
There are many things, sir.
Few things.
What, sir?
Few things which you can think of.
Yeah. Actually, in Gram Panchayat and all, the money which comes from the government, it won't be distributed properly to the poor people.
Right.
So, firstly, I'll check on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So that is something which is pretty much required. So brilliant answer. So Hafifa is another participant whom we couldn't speak, I believe. Hafifa, are you there? Okay. Okay, fine. I'm not too sure whether she is able to. Okay. Great. So that brings to the close of this particular icebreaker session, right? So, so brilliant. I'm sure all of you enjoyed. I really thoroughly enjoyed. A lot of lovely answers, and so that is precisely we will try to do a lot. And during the coming days, I have a lot of things in the mind, right? So we will start the day after a couple of days, probably with some joke and all. I'll ask you to come up with a joke and say the best joke, of course, with the language and all, right? So then what will happen is this will make very interesting, and then that is something which we are looking forward to. Okay, now I'll do another quick, we have enough time to tell you what do we have packed in terms like the course plan, what do we have. Okay, so that is something which I'll do. I'll be sharing my screen again with you. and hopefully you will be able to see that. So it is in Excel, which I'll show you now. Okay. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. So, is it eligible? Are you able to read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Okay. See, so what we have done is that, as I said before, this is functional English. So we will be covering the important aspects of the language which we will be requiring on a day-to-day basis, work and personal if required. So this will be more focused on listening and speaking. So that is precisely what it will be. So I've just shown you something known as foundation. So we will talk about the foundation. That will be the first thing, right? So what do you mean by foundation? Say what we mean by foundation for English.
The basic level.
Absolutely. See, foundation is basic level, very good. And also what is required to have a base. See, suppose I'm constructing a building, I'll ensure my base is strong. That is very, very important. Right? The base is deep. If I'm constructing 2 floors, the base will go deep. If I'm constructing 4, it will go deeper. Right? So we will talk about the basic fundamentals which will be there, a part of the English thing. Right? So there will be a kind of a preview. We will also see, no training is possible unless and until you make the participant know that why it is required and why it is not, what is the benefit for you. So these are the things which we will be covering up there. Okay. After that, what will happen is that we have something known as bottlenecks. We will also talk about what are the bottlenecks into this, right? When we talk about bottlenecks, what are the things which can hinder this development, right? So there are a lot of external stuffs and there are many internal. Some internal are there in the mind as well. Not in this 201, right? But here as well, there could be something which we will be able to address. So that is what it will be. Right? So that will be that. And after that, we will also talk about the techniques. So we will talk about the techniques. What are the techniques which we are going to employ here? Right? Technique 1, technique 2, technique 3. So these are the techniques which will help you to get better. And then we will have something known as the 4 facet of the language, right? So every language, there is only 4 facets, right? There are 4 parts of any language, right? So one is listening, speaking, writing, and reading. So we will cover each and every aspect individually and see what is required to get better, to improve where we are, and keep doing that on a persistent basis. So that is precisely what will be happening. Then the next part would be, we will have the activity, the main activity we will do, that is more of a lesson plan. So we will be doing a lot of activity here in terms like the role plays, the pre-speeches, of course, those kind of things which we can do. And so that will be a regular activity once we do the initial round of classes. Then afterwards, what we also have is that we have some soft skills as well, some basic soft skills. And so priority would be on English, but of course we also have some soft skills packed in. So these are the soft skills which we will be able to go through. So this is the basic plan which we have. So these will be the content. And let's also remember, we just have 1 hour every day. So that is the limited time which we have. So there will be a lot of information which we will give you, which you will probably be using it on a daily basis. So that is something which we will be able to do. Okay. So that would be, so I'll stop this. Okay, great. So just we have another 5 minutes or so. So we will have some a chat, and then we will wind up this session. So all of you have your day is done, or you are working still? How about you? Your work is done?
Not yet.
Okay, what time it gets over, Bhumika?
What, sir?
What time you start, what time it gets over?
Depends.
Okay, fine.
Actually, today it started at 9
Okay.
in the morning.
Okay, fine. So, is there anybody who is working on the night shifts as well? Okay, fine. Great. Let me see whether if we have time, we can pull up some more thing, because some batches are slightly in a bigger number, some batches are slightly smaller number. So we have done with what we have to do for today, right? So we have another 5 minutes. So let me see what we can pull up from you. Okay. So tell me, how many of you watch something in English very regularly?
Series.
You do, Bhumika? What do you do?
Series. I watch series.
You watch series. Okay. So tell about the series you have watched recently, or what is the name of that?
The Vampire Diaries.
Wow. Okay.
It had 8 seasons, 171 episodes. I've completed it in 2 months.
Oh, okay. So where do you watch? Do you watch it on TV or maybe on your mobile or something?
Laptop or mobile.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Fabulous. I don't know actually about this one. Vampire series. Is it very popular?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay. Nikita knows that. She's already laughing. She likes it, I believe, very much. Okay, great. And so what else you people do? She's doing a great thing, Bhumika. Let me applaud you for that. That's very important. Because when you keep watching, let me also tell you about my story. Okay, great opportunity to talk about mine as well. See, if you talk about, if you look at me, it's not something I'm able to talk like this just overnight. It doesn't happen that way. Even no matter what you have studied from a good school or maybe whatever it is, the practice is very important from your end. The practice comes from various things, because I got into habit of reading newspaper at very early age, right? Because my dad used to buy newspaper. So at the end of the day, initially, even if you're looking at the photographs and all, you get into the activity. So that is a very, very important activity which all of you, if you find time, you can do. That's there on the mobile as well. Then another thing, like Bhumika said, like have some sort of interest. If you move that interest from your local language to an English language thing, right? Like she's saying she watches the web series. There are a lot of hundreds of good movies which you can watch. Songs, there are so many songs with the lyrics and all. So these are the things which you can do. So mine thing, what happened is that I started practicing. I used to watch I used to do a bit of cricket commentary and all, right? Because those time, I'm talking about quite long time ago, where cricket still, it's a big game. There, everything used to be there on DD. Now there are hundreds of channels. There used to be one DD. All the cricket matches used to come on DD. They used to do the commentary and all. So I used to listen. Then I used to do the commentary. So that is how it is. And then I watch a lot of these TV programs as well. Now, not now, but before. So there you pick up a lot of words, how they are debating, how they are talking, what is the point they're expressing, how you're able to counter that. So those kind of a thing. The more you listen, because the first thing is that your ear, the more and the more you start listening, then it goes in there. Look at how the baby starts talking. The baby doesn't talk the first day. The baby tries for almost for a year. Then it says here and there a little bit of word and all. So for 1 year, it is all processing everything in the mind. Oh, my daddy is talking like this. My mommy is talking like this, or the relative is talking like this, that uncle is talking. It's all going into the processing. It's a processor which is processing everything. Then what will happen is that it will start coming out with the words. So the first thing is listening. If you listen, then what happens is that somewhere down the line it's going there, and see how you can start using it. So that is something, a kind of a tip. and so which we can carry forward. Anybody else? What are the activities they do? Something in terms of the language, English language? Okay, if it's not there, that's fine. I think we have also come to almost the close of this particular session, right? And I'm sure I had a very good, though it's the last session of the day, third one for me, but I really had the best time here in this particular session. So we had a hearty laugh as well, and so that is pretty good. I'm looking forward to the same thing tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll get into our thing. And I'm sure this is a group where we can upscale our skills as well much, because I'm not looking at the preliminary level. I see most of you, all of you are at a level where we can upscale even further. We will we will think about what we can do even better, right? So that is something which we will look forward to. And down the line, once we do the initial slides, I'll ask you to what kind of help you need, so I can focus on your need. This is not a big batch as well, so I can individually focus what we can do for you. Okay, great. So I wish you all of you a very good evening, right? And so we will catch up tomorrow at the same time, and hopefully we will have another great day tomorrow as well. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for joining. You can log off all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.